What's up guys, welcome to the Car Wars YouTube channel. Today we are working on a 2010 Nissan GTR that is getting a wide body kit. It's getting the LibertyWalk version 2. So what we're gonna do today is Ed is gonna swap out the dashboard. We have a blown bag in there, but let me show you what I'm gonna be doing. I will be assembling the rear chassis mount wing. It actually hooks up somewhere probably to the rebar, to the body. I'm still not sure how it goes. There's a whole bunch of brackets. So I'll be putting it together and we're gonna be test fitting it on the car. Actually, I got it right here. I have it all taped up so I don't scratch it because I think this is already the finish. It looks really nice. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to assemble it, how this works. We got a bunch of tubes with like threads and stuff like that. So I gotta figure out, and then there's the brackets. Gotta figure out how this works and put it together and then put it on the car just so we can drill the holes wherever it goes, because then I want to continue assembling the bumper and like the whole rear diffuser.
So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take the dashboard out.
I'm gonna pull this airbag, so we gotta pull that out and swap it out for the other one that we have up there. And also gotta mess with that gauge cluster because I believe some of the light bulbs are out. So let's get working on that. Alright, so we got that dashboard pulled out. Look at that, bunch of guts. So that is out. Here is the new dashboard with the good airbag, and here is the old dashboard with the blown airbag. So whatever, like this wire right here, just gonna have to transfer it over onto that one. Whatever looks good, like this little module, whatever it is. Just gonna swap it on over, and then that dashboard can go back in. Alright, so I got everything swapped over. I got this dash, it's looking all nice and almost new, gently used, has some minor little bit of imperfections, but that's what happens when you buy used. But I got everything swapped over. Now let's get it back in the car. Alright, so I got the dashboard in there. It's mounted on a couple of screws, but now it's time to assemble everything back together. First, I'm probably just gonna vacuum everything, clean up stuff that I might not be able to get later. But let's clean it up and start assembling it. So I got most of the interior put together, like the dashboard. I threw the gauge cluster and the steering wheel in there just temporarily so we can run the car, like start it and turn the steering wheel to pump the fluids through. But that is still gonna have to come out because we have to fix the LEDs. A bunch of LEDs died on our gauge cluster. It's a common problem, so I'm gonna have to totally take that apart and like solder on new LEDs. I got those ordered, just waiting for those to come in. So the dashboard, other than that, I mean, it's mostly all put together. We already started the car a few times, so it looks pretty nice and fresh and clean. All right, so Peter actually went ahead and assembled it. I mean, these are just temporary nuts and bolts that we're using.
The kit doesn't come with any hardware, so we're using what we can find, but eventually we're gonna get nice ones, hex key or Torx, whatever. Whichever ones look better or we can get, but it actually looks kind of like a bench. It's kind of funny. It reminds me of my shower at home. The shower rods, yeah. We were laughing about this on there. Yeah, look at you can hang some more stuff on there. Oh. You'll be able to hang stuff on the rods over here on the spoiler, and then yeah, all your towels, and then you can put stuff on the wing. Yeah. So let's go ahead and actually test fit this to the body and see. But it's actually very, very sturdy, very firm. It's not flimsy, because actually the other day I was driving on the road and I saw a guy with a wing like this on his trunk, and it was like flapping. It was dancing around in the wind. So it's supposed to go. It's got these little brackets. Oh snaps! All right, so we had to take the little angle off, but okay, so it goes in like that, and it actually, check this out. It's actually pretty nice. It sits on the rebar. On the rebar, so you're supposed to drill holes into the aluminum, and then right there it bolts up, and then there's supposed to be one on each side. One on each side. So that's actually bolts directly into the body. So I mean, that should be pretty sturdy. Yeah, that looks pretty cool, that hardware. But let's actually mount the spoiler on it and see how that looks. I mean, let me tape this up. Yeah, hopefully this thing doesn't fly away on us. You gotta remember not to put anything on the actual carbon fiber trunk. Yeah, because that trunk is that's already finished product. Yeah. So I'm gonna tape this so we can just look at it. All right, so we actually got it installed temporarily. Put some self tappers to hold it in place. We're gonna drill for bigger holes. Anyways, oh snap! Look at that. All right, so I think so. This should hold. Moment of truth right here. Look at that. Pops right in.
Dude, that thing is huge.
There you go. There you have it. Dang. And then I
Dang.
think it's supposed to have those side pieces still.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try to mount
Oh, no way. Look.
those little pieces.
Actually, there's bolts.
Oh no,
I mean,
there's actually holes.
The nuts where you. Oh.
That is nice. So all we have to do is put nuts in it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna mount those on right now. That way we can get a visual representation of what it's gonna look like. Alright guys, so check this out. I mean, I love it. Personally, I mean, it's not even fitting in the frame. We had to open up the garage door so we can get a little bit of distance. Look how huge it is. I mean, this thing is ginormous. I like it even without all this little diffuser stuff. Yeah, I mean, it already looks so cool. I mean,
So huge.
it's huge.
Just what we were looking for.
Yep. Whew. That looks good. Look at that. Does it? It comes over the trunk some.
Wait.
It kind. Wait.
Let me pop the trunk. Is better?
Hold on. Wait. Yeah, oh snap. Okay. This is better clear. Oh, what's going on?
Wait, what the heck?
What is going on? So, look at this. The trunk doesn't open? Trunk doesn't open? What is going on? I mean,
Dude, look.
the trunk,
It's
I mean,
not even close.
there's no way it's gonna open.
Look, it's not even close.
There's no way, and I mean, we got it mounted. This is how they mount it. You can't really shift it back.
Whoa, look at that. I mean, it runs in. I mean, it's like
There's,
4 inches in. 4 or 5 inches.
yeah, there's no way you are opening that trunk.
What the heck?
What
I
is,
mean, is this normal?
I mean, is this how it goes?
Do you lose a trunk when you go wide body? Or I guess a chassis mount?
Oh, check it out. Maybe it's for downforce. The wind travels and then goes over the wing.
Yeah.
But no, that's not cool, man.
Wait, is this normal?
And you can't put nothing in your trunk.
Okay, so the real LibertyWalk guys, do they lose their trunk when they go with the chassis mount?
Okay, guys, if anybody knows a guy with a real LibertyWalk or a wide body kit like this with the chassis mounted wing, do they lose their trunk?
What is going on with this car? It came with a not working trunk,
Oh yeah, it's the spirit of the build.
and now with the wing. I mean, the wing is sick. We can't lose the wing.
Oh, definitely.
We
Yeah.
gotta have the trunk, man.
We gotta have the trunk.
No
But yeah, this
way.
is kind of a bummer.
Hold on. Let
What
me
is
see.
going?
Let me. Since this is kind of plugged in. Oh shoot! Look, you can't even open it on the brackets.
Oh no way, yeah. The brackets are hitting also.
I mean, that is so much.
Yeah, that's kinda lame.
Yeah, so we did a quick search, and it looks like some guys are losing their trunk to go with the chassis mount wing. I mean, I'm just wondering, are the real LibertyWalk guys, are they paying over 20 grand for a kit and okay with losing a trunk? Is that a thing?
Yeah, I mean, guys, if you guys know anything about it, about that trunk, I guess let us know. If you know anybody that has a wide body LibertyWalk or whatnot, or a chassis mount wing, to just let us know. Comment in the comment section if guys are ditching their trunks, because I mean, that is gonna suck. We don't want to ditch it.
Yeah, so I guess we're gonna have to put this on hold and end our video here. We might have to start assembling the front end. Next video, that's probably what we're gonna be doing, assembling the front end, but this is gonna go on hold until further notice. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, and see you guys on the next one. Hopefully we can get this wing figured out.